What's up, Airsofters? Welcome to Lancer Tactical TV. I'm David, and this is the Lancer Tactical Interceptor SPR. The SPR is a polymer AEG with a sleek rail design. It comes in two different variants, both tan and black. The gun is constructed of a lightweight polymer and it has a metal outer barrel. The upper rail is continuous and it comes with flip-up adjustable sights. There's also a short rail segment on the left, right, and bottom of the rail. The molded lower receiver has a comfortable grip point right on the mag well. There's a functioning charging handle that will give you access to the hop-up adjustment wheel. You'll also find ambidextrous sling mounts at the base of the buffer tube. The SPR has a full metal version 2 gearbox and motor setup. This gun is rear-wired to hold a battery in the crane stock, and in the box you'll find an 8.4-volt nunchuck battery and charger. Also in the box, you'll find a 300-round high-cap magazine and 1,000.2 gram BBs. Also included in the box, you'll find a special streamlined muzzle brake that fits right into the front of the rail system. Time to chrono. With a brand new spring, this gun is shooting an FPS of 400 to 410, which means the spring should settle right into a good FPS for outdoor fields. That, coupled with the 14-inch inner barrel, should help you reach out and make those longer outdoor shots. So guys, if you're looking for a good entry-level outdoor airsoft gun with a tactical look, check out the Lancer Tactical Interceptor SPR.
Today we're going to show you the fully licensed H&K MP5 SD5 by Elite Force. Each gun comes complete with its own manual and warranty and registration cards. Make sure you fill these out, send them in. Guys, each one of these comes with a full 1-year replacement warranty. Take advantage of that. In the box, everybody gets a 200-round high-cap mag. On the SD5 model itself, the muck suppressor is detached, so simply take it, screw it onto the front. This gun comes complete with a full metal upper receiver and a nylon fiber lower receiver and stock. Front, rear HK sights, front rear sling points, fully functioning charging handle, which does expose the hop-up unit, ambidextrous switches. Internally, this is a top tech version with a full metal gearbox and full metal gears. Let me show you how to install the battery. Take the rear plate, simply press it down, pops away. Expose your battery wires. Take your battery. On this particular gun, we do recommend that you use a 9.6 volt battery. Plug your battery in, into the stock. Make sure when you do this that you keep these wires out of the way so that you don't crimp them. Back together, pop it back up, you're good to go. There you go, guys.
And we are taking a look at the brand new Lancer Tactical Generation 2 entry-level AEGs. So behind me you can see we have a pretty big lineup of some brand new M4s that are going to be available from Lancer Tactical. These are guns that you know, like the LT2, the LT3, some really great guns from Lancer Tactical that we've had for quite a while. Right here in my hands you can see the LT19, the key mod rail. So these are going to be our new entry-level lineup. These guns are going to be available in a nylon reinforced polymer. So they're going to be a whole lot tougher than the ABS polymer that we had on the previous lineup. Also, the gearbox has been heavily upgraded. They're coming with the new rotary style hop-up, big upgrade there. These guns are also going to come with a quick change spring out of the box. So it's going to be in the back of the gearbox. It's not the same quick change spring that we have available in the Lone-X guns, so you will have to actually take the gearbox out of the gun to access it. However, it's a quick change spring in an entry-level gun. Really big upgrade. These are going to shoot faster, farther. They're going to have a greater response, tougher body. So all around the line, it is a really big upgrade for these Lancer Tactical entry-level guns.
Hey everyone, Stephanie here from the SIG Air Division at SIG Sauer. Let's talk about this beauty, the MCX Virtus AEG from the ProForce line. Now, our ProForce line is really dedicated to high-end training and practice tools. You can practice with this in your backyard with no questions asked, very inexpensive ammo, and it allows you to really hone in on your drills. So if we move into some features of this product, up front here, as you can see, this handguard is M-LOK compatible, so you can attach any accessories that you currently do on your firearm onto this Airsoft product. If we move down, takedown lever is exactly like the firearm. If you pop this takedown lever out, you can slide the handguard right off. This allows you accessibility to what the AEG stands for, which is an automatic electric gun. This is battery powered. So once you take the handguard off, you can plug in through the wires in here the 11.1 volt battery that is recommended for this Airsoft model. Really, really cool feature. Driving to the back of the rifle, we have a 3-stage detachable buttstock. Also allows you to change this out for something that you're comfortable with, whatever you carry at home, you can slap on this bad boy as well. Moving down, for lefties like me, this does have an ambidextrous safety. So as you can see, both sides here, fire, safe, and everyone's favorite, full auto. This is 120 rounds, so you can run 120 rounds of Fury down the range, or you can back it on up, drop it into fire, go into your semi-automatic rounds as well. Really, really great feature. Next feature here, if we move down to the bolt catch, pull back on the charging handle, just like your firearm has. It opens up your ejection port and allows you visibility to the hop-up. Super easy to adjust up and down here, and what that does is put some backspin on your BB, allowing for more accuracy downrange. Speaking of downrange, this also comes with 2 different adjustment springs that are a quick screw from the backside underneath your buttstock. What that allows is a 110 or 120 millimeter spring. If you are in competition in Airsoft and they have restrictions on indoor competition versus outdoor competition on velocity, the 110 spring will drop your velocity down to an indoor required speed of about 388, and the 120 millimeter brings you up to about 430. So you have a full breadth of range for any activity that you may be participating in. Really, really nice feature.
I'm David, and this is the Lancer Tactical M24 Spring Sniper Rifle. Now, as many of you guys know, we just gave away one of these sniper rifles, but we don't have an overview of this gun yet. So, today I wanted to talk about this awesome entry-level sniper rifle. When I first saw the M24, I was very surprised to see a metal sniper rifle for this price. The outer barrel, the bolt, the trigger, the firing assembly, the receiver, the outer accessories, it's all metal. The only thing that's polymer on this gun is this thick polymer stock. The M24 comes in black or tan, and with or without a full metal bipod with extendable legs. The M24 comes with a rail right above the bolt for the addition of your scope. Adjust the positioning of these 2 clamps on your scope to get it to fit correctly on your rail. To fire the M24, just draw back this bolt to charge the spring. The safety on this gun is located behind the bolt and to the right. Alright, now this plate here is a mock receiver. On the real firearm, this is where the rounds would enter the chamber. However, this being an airsoft gun, the spring and the cylinder take up room inside the bolt. So, you will find that the airsoft magazine is farther forward. The M24 uses a 28 round magazine that fits in most soft shell pistol mag pouches. The hop-up adjustment is very easy to access. It's here to the left side of the outer barrel. Now, to get optimum performance out of this airsoft gun, I would use a heavyweight BB, like a .3. And as always, whenever you're changing your BB weight, readjust your hop-up and re-zero your scope. Continuing on with the externals, you'll find metal sling attachment points at the front and the rear of the stock. You'll also find this wheel that can be used to adjust your stock length. Just rotate this wheel to adjust the stock in and out until it's correct to the length of your arm. Internally, the M24 is a solid performer, and there's a good range of upgrade parts on the market for M24 style airsoft rifles. With an FPS of 430 and an inner barrel that runs right to the tip of the outer barrel, this airsoft sniper will be accurate at a range right out of the box. Let's Corona. So guys, I have to say, this is a great entry-level sniper rifle. For just over $100, you're getting a full metal spring sniper rifle with good access to upgrades. So if you guys are just thinking about trying out some sniping, or if you're looking for your base to start upgrading from, definitely check out the Lancer Tactical M24 Spring Sniper Rifle. I'm David, this is Lancer Tactical TV, and until next time, Airsofters, strike hard, strike fast.